Welcome back everyone. Now, as we were discussing about geotechnical engineering, further let's move on, and now we will be discussing about relation among different soil parameters. Okay, so let's move forward. What we will be discussing, the basic relation between different soil parameters. Sorry. Okay, the basic relation, and just you have to know the basic terminology which we have discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, so now let's move forward. Yt, what was Yt first of all? Expression for Yt. What is this? What is this? Is not Yt, actually it's gamma t. Okay, so what is gamma t? Bulk unit weight. What is it? Bulk unit weight. This is bulk unit weight. Let's see what is. First of all, we are to actually the final relation is this Gs plus Se upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Now, how is it this obtained? Let us see. First of all, you know that gamma T is W by V. Okay, total. If you remember, the bulk was resembling to the total weight upon total volume. So, this is the total weight upon total volume. Then, what is total weight? We know that the air has no weight. So, what we are left with? We are left with Ws and Ww. Again, in Vs we have all the three parameters. So, we will be writing it as Vs and Vv only. What is Vv? Vv, you know, volume of void, which will be comprising of Va and Vw. Okay. Here for the time being, let us write it as Vv only. Now, you can see Ws is taken common, which gives us 1 plus Ww upon Ws. Again, Vs is taken common, which gives us Vv by Vs and 1 here. So, what is this? Ww upon Ws. If you remember, this is W. What is W? Water content. Water content. Okay, it's water content. And what is E? E will be, means the Vv upon Vs is E, and what is E? E is void ratio. E is void ratio. So, this will be written as W and this will be written as E. So, what we get now? Ws, what is this? Ws is this Ws only, okay, and Vs is this Vs only, 1 plus W upon 1 plus E. So, further let us move on. Now, what we will do is just Ws upon Vs we have here. Okay. If you remember, what is G or Gs? What is Gs? If you remember, it was gamma upon gamma. Let us write is Gs. So, here will be S. Okay. Soil solid we are talking about upon gamma W. Okay. The formula was this one, if you remember. And what is gamma S? If you remember, it was Ws upon Vs. So, Ws upon Vs is gamma S and gamma W is there. So, if we want to find the value or expression for this Ws upon Vs, what we can write? We can write it as, let me write it here, Ws upon Vs whole upon gamma W is equals to G. Okay. So, we get here G into gamma W. Okay. This will go here. So, Ws upon Vs will be G into gamma W. The same is done here, you can see Gs into gamma W. This is the same thing, and other parameters are the same, 1 plus W is here and 1 plus E is also here. So, finally, we multiply this Gs gamma W inside and we get as this Gs plus Se into gamma W upon 1 plus E. Yes, this Se you might get confused how it is there. Actually, when you multiply with this, because gamma W is here only. So, what we get here when we multiply inside, we will get Gs gamma W plus Gs gamma W into W. Okay. Now, leave this gamma W because it is already out here. So, we will be remaining with Gs into W. Now, if you remember the expression which I was saying you, S into E is equals to W into Gs into W. Okay. So, just this Gs into W is substituted with this part S into E. So, you can write it here S into E. Okay, that is fine. So, finally, we get this expression. Alternatively, what we can do is the same again expression Ws upon this we have obtained here. After that we can directly replace this with this part. So, we can get, you can go by this method because it will make you clear your concepts as well, because we have used a number of formulas in this derivation. Okay. It is an important relation, please remember it. Let us move forward. Expression for gamma saturated. Now, you remember, I hope, gamma saturated, it is the saturated unit weight. What is it? It is saturated unit weight. Okay, saturated unit weight. So, what is gamma saturated? It is actually Gs plus E upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Now, I think you have understood how has this come. If not, let me tell you. You just now derived the expression this gamma T is Gs plus Se upon 1 plus E. Okay, this is 1 plus E into gamma W. So, this Se part, you can see there is S is degree of saturation and E is void ratio obviously. In this case, when we are talking about gamma saturated, if you remember, this is for the fully saturated condition only. So, S will become 1. Okay, S will become 1. So, we will get the expression of Gs plus E upon 1 plus E into gamma W, which I have written here. Okay. Let us go forward. Now, gamma D. What is gamma D again? This is for dry unit weight. Dry unit weight. Dry unit weight. Okay. The final expression becomes to be Gs gamma W upon 1 plus E. Now, how has this come? Again the same expression, the first one gamma bulk, because this is the gamma bulk expression and modifications are done in this only to get gamma saturated or gamma W or any other things. Okay. So, just we have to first remember this only, this is the main part, just then we have to modify according to the conditions. Now, in this case gamma D, you know this is dry unit weight. Dry unit weight means S is equal to 0. What is this? S is equal to 0. If you put in this expression, this will become 0. What are we left with? Gs gamma W upon 1 plus E. So, it is derived. Okay. Also, we have a number of expressions for gamma D. Okay. So, we have a number of formulas, I mean. So, one you have already derived here, you can see. Now, let us move to the other. The another expression is gamma T upon 1 plus W. What is gamma T? If you remember, just I told you bulk unit weight. Okay. It is a bulk unit weight. So, we can say that this expression now gives us the relation between gamma T and gamma D. Okay. Now, how is this formed? Let us see. You know that this is W by V gamma T. Okay. Again, this will be Ws plus WW and this is total V. Let's not bifurcate it. We won't be requiring it. Just now again, just we have done the before, Ws is taken common. What we will get? WW. If you write it here, elaborated form, Ws is taken common, we will get 1 plus WW upon Ws. Is it okay? And what is this expression? This is W. So, we write here direct 1 plus W. Okay. So, Ws 1 plus W upon V. Now, what is this? Ws by V. This is gamma D. Okay. This is gamma D. So, finally, what we get? Gamma D, this part will come in the denominator of this and will form gamma T upon 1 plus W. Okay. So, let us move forward. Another expression, as I told you, there are number of expressions for gamma D. So, this is the final expression we will be discussing. Here again, see what is Na? It is Va by V. If you remember, it is Va by V into 100, which was the percentage of air voids. Okay. So, percentage of air voids we had just discussed. So, it was Va by V. So, let us replace it with and Va by V for this part. Then just take LCM, we will, and what, how is this formed? This will be V minus Va by V. Okay. From this part we get here, and from here again moving forward, this is what is V? This will be Va plus Vw plus Vs. Okay. These three will constitute total view, V upon minus VA upon V. This gets cancelled out. Is it okay? So, what are we left with? We are left with this, which is written here. Further, we bifurcate it into two different parts, okay, and use the formula for, you can see this. This is where it is obtained from G, the formula for specific gravity. Now, this is for water. So, let us write it as GW only. Okay. So, GW is 1. If you know, the specific gravity of water is 1. So, this will be gamma W will be, what is gamma W? WW upon VW. Okay. So, if we bifurcate it, then we can use this part here as VW, means we need the VW value. So, VW can be written as gamma W this will be gamma W, okay, again I am messing it up. WW upon gamma W, okay, this is VW. So, we can write here, after bifurcating it we can write it here. So, this is the expression. Similarly, we have obtained this one as well, okay. Just after that, using simple mathematics we can get it. It is not used that much, but anyway you can remember it. It is comprising of what? Gamma D, what is Na? Percentage air voids and all other general such as GS and W, okay. Remember one more thing here, the value of gamma W, okay, you can write, you can see that it is here in the formula. We can use it as 10 when nothing is given. What is 10? 10 kilonewton per meter cube, okay. Or if it is mentioned, then 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, okay. So, let us move forward. Now, what is gamma dash? This gamma dash is gamma saturated or saturated, oh sorry, submerged unit weight. This is submerged unit weight. Okay. What is the relation? G minus 1 upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Again, this is also obtained nearly from the same equation, the equation for gamma T, okay, with some modifications. How? Submerged unit weight, if you remember, gamma saturated minus gamma W, I have already explained this to you. Just replace the gamma saturated expression which we obtained from gamma T here and just simplify, means Gs plus E upon 1 plus E gamma W minus gamma W. Just take the LCM and simplify it to get this Gs minus 1 upon 1 plus E into gamma W, okay. So, let us move forward. Now, what is this S? S is the degree of saturation. Let us see how is it related to different parameters. First of all, you already know that VW upon VV is the expression for gamma saturated or degree of saturation, okay. Now, using the formula for Gs, we now write VW, just as I explained before, will be forming this expression. And for VV, what is VV? VV will be, you can write it as total volume, okay, minus volume of soil solids. So, this is used here to get this expression, then just simplify it to get this one, okay. Generally, we do not require this. I have just told you to, so that you can get informed about the expression. You need not require to memorize this expression, okay, because as the maximum formula we use for getting S is S into E is W into Gs, okay. So, to get S, generally this formula is used. Otherwise, the basic formula which we already know, VW upon VV, Okay, this will do for the degree of saturation. So this is it for now. Now just next classes we will be discussing some more concepts about bulk density, dry density and all. Okay, thank you.